Most people run out of things to say mid-conversations, not because their English is bad, but because they don't know how to ask the right questions. Here are the first 3 question types that keep any conversation alive. Type 1, the follow-up question. This is the most powerful question you can ask. When someone tells you something, don't just react, go deeper. They say, I just got back from a trip. You ask, what was the best moment of the whole trip? If they say, work has been really stressful lately, you can ask, what has been the hardest part for you? One follow-up question shows you're listening. It shows you care, and it keeps the conversation going for another 5 minutes instantly. Type 2, the opinion question. People love sharing about what they think. So you can ask them, what do you think about that? How you felt about it? What would you have done differently? These questions have no right or wrong answer. So the other person never feels put on the spot. They just open up. And the more they open up, the more they enjoy talking to you. Type 3, the hypothetical question. This one makes conversations fun and memorable. If you could do it all over again, would you make the same choice? If you had 1 year off with full pay, what would you do? If you could have dinner with anyone in the world, who would it be? These questions reveal personality. They make people think. And they turn a boring conversation into the one people remember for days. Save this. Part 2 is coming up tomorrow with the last 2 types of questions and one golden rule that ties everything together. Which question type will you try first in your conversation? Comment below. Follow for more.